So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to search profile on TikTok. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. Now let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your TikTok account, and to search a profile you should have to tap on search icon which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then you will find your keyboard will be automatically open. Now type a name like this. Then tap on search icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. Now see, you will found an account like this, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.